So rabies is on the rise in the US, and if you weren't aware of it, rabies can be an STD. So generally, around 2 to 4 people in the US end up expiring from rabies each year. However, an increased number has prompted the CDC to tighten rules on importing dogs. Granted, apparently only 5 dogs in the last year have been imported with rabies. It still seems like a shockingly high number, to be honest, for something that is 100% fatal. The reasons why are complex, but if you're like me and you grew up fascinated with infectious diseases, rabies was always a serious fear of mine. It's a fascinating disease, and it spreads in an insidious way. Once it gets into your body, it literally has to walk along your neurons until it gets to the brain, and that's why it takes 6 months. You have these tiny motor proteins that walk along your neurons literally and transport information from one part of your body to another. It takes 6 months to get from the tip of your finger to your head. This is also why it takes such a long time for transplants, like if you had a hand attached to you, to start working again. Rabies also infects your salivary glands and makes it difficult to swallow, causing the whole frothing in the mouth issue that we're also familiar with. Fun fact, I was vaccinated for rabies in 2021 because I slapped a marmot. I don't recommend it. It was a night. So why are cases of rabies increasing? It mostly just has to do with our interaction with wildlife. As we encroach on more and more wild areas, we're going to come in contact with animals. Fortunately, there is a vaccine for rabies, and so long as you get vaccinated within, let's say, 2 weeks of having been bitten, you'll be fine. And yes, it is an STD. Enjoy that cursed knowledge.